We have more breaking news coming in. Let's take a look at that now. Amid the alleged bid to derail the train, now Rail Ministry sources have told us that there have been a number of bids to sabotage various railway infrastructure in just the last year. We have Pragya joining us. Pragya, what is the Railways Ministry saying over these incidences?
So basically, Rail Ministry also believes that there is an angle of sabotage and conspiracy against railways, and it is not just threat to people of the country, it is also an attack on the country as well. If you try to derail rail, it means that you are playing with the lives of the people, and they have come across about 24 such incidents in a week's, I would say in a year's time, starting from June last year till now. There are 24 such cases where there had been instances where tampering was done on the tracks. There, it could be in any form. The kind of reports that the railway has got, and in fact, they had asked police, local thanas, to get the reports to them as well, so that they can also investigate into this. But if I could just read few of the reports that have come across railways, there is a compilation of those reports, and there are details of the incident also. And majority of them, if you look, there are around Prayagraj and Uttar Pradesh, and starting from June, in fact, I would say June 5th, 2023, a wooden log was found on railway crossing. Not just that, there was also an incident of gas cylinder and hammer lying on the track. This was in July 2020.
If you just hold on to that thought, we are going to put up this list on our screen. Sagarika is joining us. Sagarika, if you could just take us through what it is that the ministry has found with regards to bids at sabotaging the railways.
And this document with the list of the sabotage attempts, the 24 sabotage attempts made in the last 1 year since June 2023, has been accessed by Pragya. She was reading out of it, and I'm just going to take you through that Ankit, which we've pulled out and put up here on here in our newsrooms. Like Pragya mentioned, the first incident from June 2023, where a wooden log was found on a railway crossing, and this happened in Bhadrak in Odisha. The second incident happened in October on the 2nd, where a stone was found on a rail line, and this happened in Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. The third incident was about the stone pelting on Vande Bharat, an attempt to target our railways. This happened in Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu. The fourth incident is signal tampering incident, which happened again in West Bengal. The fifth incident they're talking about happened in July, where a local train was vandalized. This happened again in Birbhum in West Bengal. The next incident they spoke about is another presence of a gas cylinder hammer which was laying on the track, and this happened in Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. This happened on the 16th of July in 2024. The next incident they talk about is the 1st of August again, where a gas cylinder, a bicycle, was found on the track. This again happened in Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. The next incident again from the 5th of August. This took place at the Lal Gopalganj station in Uttar Pradesh. Again, there is another incident again in the month of August, multiple incidents in the month of August, which took place in Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, where they said there was an attempt to derail. In fact, there was a derailment that took place here, and the kind of action that they took. The next incident again in the month of August on the 17th, there happened railway station, Kartarpur ke Nikat Gate 2055 par HC Gurpreet Singh. They're talking about the incident over here, where there was an attempt to attack a train. Then there is another incident again in the month of August on the 18th, which took place in Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh, and where rods were found and they were found, it was tangled and chained, where the track, there was also a collision of the engine passenger train. The next incident was again on 20th, where a bike was in fact found on the track. This happened again in Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. A lot of incidents that took place in the month of August took place in Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. Then again there was another in Ghazipur in Uttar Pradesh, where another such incident was reported. So these are multiple in fact instances pointed by the railways in this dossier. They have made a list of 24 such incidents, and this dossier has been accessed by Pragya.
Absolutely, it's a dossier. That's what it is. You can see the different attempts at sabotage, the bids to place various objects in different configurations so as to possibly impede trains, impact them, do God knows what else, Sagarika, and this is the document that Pragya has accessed. Meanwhile,